Hello class, welcome to the spring 2026 offering of CIT-95 Python programming. I am happy that you are here. When you open up your Canvas Python class, this is what you'll get. You will notice here I do have an office hour tomorrow, a virtual office hour. You can stop by and say hello. Just click on this link. Tomorrow at 10, that's Monday, the 12th of January at 10 o'clock. If you have any questions about the class, that would be the time to ask, okay? So I will be here. I'm launching this class on the eve of the beginning of the class, Sunday, the 11th of January. So about this class, this is a zero textbook class. That's wonderful. You don't have to pay anything. Also, you do need an IDE. This link works wonderful here to get a free IDE for PyCharm. And you do have to go back and forth, but I just did this. I did have an existing account. I had to just answer a few questions, but I do have a 1-year license now for PyCharm Pro. So wonderful. Right now I have installed the PyCharm Community Edition. So it works just fine. If I want to create a new Python file named Hello World, this is what you'll be doing. This is how you do it. Hello world.pycharm. So how do you know what to program? Well, here I have videos for you. This is a great video. Here is Giraffe Academy. You can start with that one. Also, Python for everybody. This is a really nice textbook, and it takes you through step by step, and it has videos for you as well. It has the lessons. So why program? This is actually corresponding to the PDF of this. This is chapter 2. But anyway, so you can look at this and learn about variables, expressions, and statements, right? So there's a video on that from Dr. Chuck. So all kinds of resources in here. Also, I recommend using W3 Schools. Also, I recommend downloading Gemini. You can get a free account to Gemini Pro, and for 1 year, a student access to Google Gemini. Once you do that, you can actually add the PDF of our class textbook, which is right here, right? So how do I do that? So just click on this link and then download it. This went into my downloads folder. I'm in Google Gemini. Like I say, you can sign up for free. I have to pay $20 a month to use Google Gemini 3 Pro, but it's worth it. You can use it for free. You just have to sign up. Just follow a link. If someone gets a link, maybe they can send it to me and tell me their experience on it working. But I'm going to add the PDF as a knowledge base. So click on that, upload files, click on our textbook, open this. Now I can ask Gemini. First of all, tell Gemini what you are. So I am a new Python programming student and need help understanding chapter 2 of the book I just gave you. Now, all throughout this chat, I don't know what the context is, like how many back and forth messages Gemini will handle, but I would bet that this one conversation here can last throughout the semester. All right? So if you always go back to this conversation in Gemini and you have this one PDF loaded here, this will be, Gemini will use the exact source from, it will use this as its source, and it will give you very accurate and meaningful information. So that's how you can stay up with the class. But this will give you wonderful summaries whenever I do this. I'm always really impressed. And the large language models just, get better and better and better. This is absolutely a way better explanation than I could have ever come up with. Summary for chapter 2 about values and data types and variables. I'm telling you, I am going to be replaced by a bot soon. I just am. I mean, why wouldn't I be, right? Anyway, so that's what you do with Gemini. That's how you use it. What I don't want you to do is just use Gemini to write your programs. So, create the Hello World program in Python. It's pretty short. There you go. There's your Hello World program in Python. Actually, Gemini does do this explanation for beginners. It talks about what the print function is, parentheses and quotation marks. That's great. It tells you to install Python. Here's another thing. Dr. Chuck's videos, a lot of time he runs Python just from the command line. So I'll do a video on how to do that. It's pretty easy, but I think the easiest way to do this is to use PyCharm like I demonstrated here. So here's PyCharm. Let's name this Hello World My file is named hello world.py, and if I say print, it's a function. Print hello world. All right, really all there is to it. That's it. Here's my hello world program. I'm in PyCharm. To run this, I just click on the play button and then look for what happens in output. Here's the output, right? That's it. So, and I also have this file, my file that I would upload to my GitHub repository. I'll show you that in a second. Is called helloworld.py, and it is right here. It's on my local machine. It's in 2026 spring Python demos hello world. It exists in that folder. If you want me to prove that to you, I will show you. So here's my directory. 2026 spring Python demos hello world. Here is that file that I just created, and you notice it is attached to JetBrains. If I right click on this and edit with, I don't know, open with Sublime Text, you'll see it's just going to be text. You'll see it'll say print hello world. There you go, print hello. Oh, and has my comment here too. So that's all a Python program is. It is just text, but it has to be interpreted by a Python interpreter and compiled, linked, and ran by an IDE. That's what this is here. PyCharm is an IDE, so it makes it really, really easy. All right, and I can even spell world correctly there. Change my program. There we go. All right, so that's how to create a Python program. Any questions on our class? Please come and see me tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. Boy, I hope I'm in my window here. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to end this video, 10 minutes. Welcome to class, and I'll see everyone on the discussion boards.